I received a question yesterday reference tax lien auctions. And so the question was this: at the end of the tax lien redemption period, I've been paying my taxes the whole time. In what states can I just simply take the property? And what states do I have to send the property to auction? And that's a really good question, because once you've paid these liens for X amount of years, like, so for example, in Arizona, it's 3 years. You've been paying, you won the lien 3 years ago. You've been paying your taxes diligently every single year to get that property. You want your property now, right? You want to just tell the county, hey, here's what I want to do. I want this property. I've been paying the taxes on it. Let's go through the process. And let's make it happen. Some states, unfortunately, will require that property to go through a new auction. So it'll go through a second auction, and that property will be put back up, put on the online, on the website, or I guess in person as well. That could happen. And you don't want that. You don't want a new set of competition to show up and try to bid on your property. So I've made a list of states that allow you to just simply pay the tax liens throughout the course of whatever the redemption period is. And every state is slightly different. Like I said, for example, in Arizona, it is 3-year redemption period. So you continue to pay those taxes for 3 years, and you will be able to get that property. Certain states is different. Some states are significantly less, a lot faster. So I made a list of states that allow you to just pay the liens, pay the taxes, and get that property without having to put it back through auction. And then we have a list too of states where if you really want to pay the taxes on a property for a few years and then have to compete with a bunch of other people for it, we have a list of those states too. And I've added that to the Tax Sale Millionaire website, www.taxsalemillionaire.com, the most comprehensive list of tax sales and tax sale information nationwide.